Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's Today in Lighting, Wednesday, 24 January. We're sponsored by LUCI, designing award-winning lighting in Oakland, New Jersey. Here are the stories making news. Yesterday, I spent the day in New York at a Knuckles Fund board meeting, and the funding that Knuckles provides is quite impressive. Awardees will be announced at Leducation in March. Wild DC will host a negotiating seminar on 29 February. The event is free for Wild members and $25 for non-Wild members. The ASLA is now accepting submissions for the 2024 Conference on Landscape Architecture in Washington, D.C., marking its 125th anniversary. Submission deadline is 22 February. Details at designinglighting.com. The LUCI Cities and Lighting Awards 2024 call for entries is now open, seeking urban lighting projects that contribute to economic, social, and cultural development. Submit applications by 15 March. That information is at designinglightingglobal.com. And in a new Lighting Controls podcast, Dan Salinas, past IES president, explores rewards and challenges in commercial lighting control design, drawing on his vast experience in renovation and retrofit projects. Suni Arbad Christensen joins 1A as Global Business Development Director, leveraging 35 years of lighting industry experience to build global relationships and guide brand development. That story's at designinglightingglobal.com. And the ILD extends the call for presentations deadline to 29 January, allowing more time for lighting designers to submit presentations to the 2024 Enlighten conferences in London and San Diego. And yesterday the markets were mixed. Signify gained 1%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.